how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us Imposter, but it's going to be kind of a different pose. He's going to have his mouth wide open into the camera, and his face is going to be aiming up. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's completely for beginners, and let's get going. All right. So what I want to do is I want to draw that visor that he has, and it's going to be aiming up. You know how they open up their heads? It's going to be aiming up because we're going to be looking at it from the front this time. So we're going to have a curve shape. Curve around here. And completely do something like that. So this is the visor. It's just angled up pretty much. I'm going to put a line through it like so. It's just kind of a wavy line to make it look like a reflection, and I'll draw like a circle here. Pulling out. Curve down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the kind of curve around here for the mouth. So I'm going to have a curve around here. And kind of go up in like a smile in a way. I'm going to go find the back of the head here. So it's going to come out over here around this area. So I'm going to go over here and find that. Down. I'm going to find the tongue. And then maybe another tongue as well. Just kind of coming out here. Maybe two tongues. I know it doesn't have two tongues, but kind of looks cool. And I'm going to find the teeth on the top row right there. So that's kind of what I'm going to start doing now. Start here. Gonna go over here. So it's gonna be the lower part of his mouth. Curve around the corner here and pull down. Curve around the corner here and pull down. We're just gonna vignette that, right? It's gonna go down somewhere. And then I'm gonna go over here and draw the teeth below. Pulling in, curve. You're giving that tongue some volume. Go over here on this side. Then pulling in here. And you have this kind of like, you know how he opens his mouth pretty much, like really extremely? That's kind of the pose I was going for. And I'm going to go over here and going to put a split in the tongue, in the other tongue. Then maybe I'll have another one right here. Coming out there. It's got like these, a bunch of tongues like going crazy there. Because he's kind of monstrous, so it's plausible that would happen. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to throw a thick line around the whole thing. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to thicker line to kind of contain the shapes. thick line throughout the whole thing. All right, and there you go. That is an Among Us crewmate, more from the front, where he's like really extremely opening his mouth. I'm sorry, an imposter. What did I say? Crewmate. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Don't forget, hit the like button. Hitting the like button does so much for the channel. The channel basically lives on that. Also, if you do want to support the channel in another way, share the video and hit that subscribe, okay? Thank you so much. I'm going to keep drawing every single day, so I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.